video. Hey guys, I come on here. I know y'all miss me. I haven't been doing no videos for a while because it just seems so funny not doing a video with my camera and just picking up my phone and putting all this stuff on my phone that I gotta delete a lot of videos off of here, because before I had my phone, there's millions of videos on my, before I had my camera, there's millions and millions of videos on my phone that I gotta delete. So, y'all, I miss you guys. Y'all miss me? Hopefully my camera come back sometime soon. My glasses are dirty. They've been sitting on top of my head. I'm tired. My eyes are sleepy. I've been up since 2 o'clock this morning. 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock this morning, y'all. So I'm tired. And the kids is gonna be off in another almost an hour and a half. So why go to sleep? Because that ain't gonna do nothing but make me mad. Look at my eyes, they all red. Gosh, I'm tired. But I just came back from picking up some groceries curbside from H-E-B. I'm gonna make some red beans and rice and some, I made what do you call it? What did I make the vegetables? The collard greens last night. So we're gonna use the rest of them collard greens for the, to go with it, and some cornbread. So, yeah, that's what's on tonight's meal. So, yeah, guys, I'm sorry I've been missing in action. It's because of my camera. I need my camera. I hate this phone. I hate vlogging from the phone, y'all. But I guess I gotta do what I gotta do to make some money, right? Unless I don't wanna entertain y'all, and at the same time make me a little chunk change. So, oh, we got cornbread biscuits. I forgot about that. Look, y'all, I have got some cornbread, but she was like, we got cornbread biscuits. I wonder how do that taste though. I can make some, but I bought cornbread too. What's in here? All the vegetables. Let me show y'all what I got. Hold on. What did you do with it? Oh, put it in the refrigerator for me. Let me show y'all what I got. Red beans, which I'm gonna put in a bowl. Have me a bowl tonight. I need to soak them. I had got some cornbread, but I guess y'all want to try that kind of cornbread. I got some cornbread, some honey cornbread.
You can make that too.
And then y'all know Tyler likes his Lunchables. Get that when he come home from school. And I got some of these type of sausages to cut up in the beans. Everybody be get Al Dewey sausages. I got that kind. And I believe I needed rice. I hope so, but if I didn't, it's probably out or a little bit, and I need more. And y'all, I have to go back to the store because I forgot one thing. I forgot the I might have. Hold on. Oh, I got it. That's the only one I have. I think I got some in the refrigerator, maybe. Chicken broth. Yep, right there beside your face. Okay, I got some. Okay.
You forgot to get contacted.
Oh, I'm trying to get that. And then I got these onions and bell pepper cut up in it. So yeah. And then I told you guys no more cooking videos. Cause I don't know if y'all interested in them or not. Y'all be talking. Y'all be like, that's some good recipes. Only one person who says something to me all the time. Say it looks good or whatnot. But so I stopped doing cooking videos. And I'll just probably show y'all just afterwards. Until y'all be like, Crystal, bring back the cooking. Or Crystal, bring it back once a week or whatnot. But yeah. So, and that's another thing. Like I said, when I don't have no ideas or anything to do, I don't know what to say or what to do to, you know, to get y'all entertained. Because if y'all would tell me some things, I would do it. But, you know, I don't know what to do. So, I just get the regular Joe videos that I do. And go from there. But anyways, I'm gonna put this in some water and let them soak. So I can put it in the crock pot. And it's like 3-something. We probably be having a late dinner tonight. But oh well. We always say have late dinners. Everybody don't really get home until late anyway, so we get home 7, 8, 9 o'clock at night. So of course we always have late dinners. So it don't matter anyway. Won't nobody be at home to receive it early. And then anyways, if you let them soak, they get done fast. And have all your stuff ready and together and cut up your stuff. It'll be all good. So, yeah, I guess I'll come back with y'all later. And I'll show y'all the outcome of the food, okay, guys? And sorry I've been gone so long. Hopefully I won't do it again. So, see y'all later. What?
Ladies and gentlemen, with no further ado, the one and only Ron Isley. Add a little sugar, yeah. Honeysuckle, yeah.
Sorry guys for the TV. Y'all gotta ignore it. We're watching TV. This is what I cook. My red beans and rice. And my cornbread biscuit that was in the Pillsbury. I'll let y'all know what it tastes like. And also my collard greens. This is the outcome. I got a TikTok video for you guys.
McDonald's and Chick-fil-A McGriddle?
You're gonna go to McDonald's and order just McGriddle patties. And then you're gonna go to Chick-fil-A and order your spicy fillets.
Start with your 2 McGriddle patties. Chick-fil-A, y'all playing games with this little tiny ass breast.
How much is that?
$2 or something? Place the patty. Hey, well, I mean, hey, yeah, it fits. It sizes up nicely.
There you go, add some bacon. Ooh.
Then go ahead and close it. Almost forgot my jelly. Schmuckers, that is. Crazy with the Schmuckers. Should I have did grape? Nah, strawberry's fine. Smash it, dang. Ooh. And yes, we could have got the McCrispy from McDonald's, but we all know that Chick-fil-A's is better.
McDonald's don't got spicy though. Spicy with the sweet. Add some more sweetness to it. Y'all know about that McDonald's syrup.
I love this.
So good.
Strawberry jam with the syrup. Big bag activities. Look at that thing glistening. Ooh.
Y'all gotta go try this great breakfast.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, I am back. But anyways, went to McDonald's before breakfast was over. Got to her sausage, biscuit, and hash brown. Sausage, biscuit, and hash brown. So, and I got this new thing from which you go to McDonald's and get a McGriddle, right? Get you a McGriddle, which is my McGriddle, still hot. And you go to the Chick-fil-A and get you the sausage and egg and cheese, right? You get yourself the sausage, egg, and cheese. Just the McGriddle, which is the 2. Instead of the meat in between, you get just the 2 McGriddles. And then you get from Chick-fil-A, get the sausage, egg, and cheese. I mean, not sausage, the chicken, egg, and cheese. And you put that mug on the sausage. Don't forget my cheese. You put that mug on there. See? See it? And then you take it and you put it on top. And you got your McGriddle. Taking a thumbnail, y'all. Okay, and then you bite it. Let's try it. I need to put that on airplane mode. Y'all know I'm doing from my phone, and my camera is still in the shop. So someone was calling. So I just need to start putting my stuff on airplane mode. But this is so good. Look at that. And y'all probably be like, Crystal, they got a chicken McGriddle. But y'all know Chick-fil-A chicken is better. You know what I'm saying? It's better. And the egg is better. Everything is better. So just go get you a McDonald's McGriddle and a chicken biscuit from Chick-fil-A. And see, I'm so happy that my Chick-fil-A is right across the street from my McDonald's. So it wouldn't be cold. Because they far away from each other. No, they cross the street from each other. And then they're around the corner from my house. Don't knock it till you try it. So good. See y'all later. I'm about to go tear this up.